Hey guys, so today I have gotten the chance to work with my friend Connor and Thomas and Ray at Incredible Edible Landscapes. Okay, guys, so this is an Asian sugar apple tree. It's been mounded up on some dirt because this area is in a flood zone, so we need to make sure all these trees have good drainage, except for the bananas. They like water, so that's fine. But now we're covering the pile with mulch. But guys, I have to tell you, this pine bark mulch, it smells amazing.
I think the old motto is when in doubt, mound it out, right?
Yeah.
That's how you ensure that your trees don't get flooded out if you got a low property. When in doubt, mound it out. We got 5 avocados and 7 mangoes that just went in, and there's a few more fruit trees up by the house. Looking good. Plenty of space for more fruit trees here. But a really good start for these clients today.